This is an explanation based on a Reddit post about short strangle trading strategy. The post describes how the trader adjusts the position by rolling up or down the individual legs of the strangle in response to changes in the deltas of the sold call and put options. Our objective is to comprehend the general concept of such trades while keeping it simple. To achieve this, we will be using simulated data with interactive illustrations. A short strangle is an options trading strategy where you sell an out-of-the-money (OTM) call and an out-of-the-money put with the same expiration date, but different strike prices. The short straddle strategy can be profitable when the underlying price movement is confined within the sold strikes. The short straddle strategy benefits from theta decay and a drop in volatility, provided that the stock price remains between the break-even points. The 16 delta short strangle implies selecting strike prices with an approximately 16% probability of being in the money at expiration. The premium is the amount you receive for selling the options contracts. Add the premium of the call option and the premium of the put option to determine your total premium received. The Reddit post suggests keeping a close watch on the position by monitoring the underlying asset's price movement and the option's delta values. If the stock price moves towards a strike, the post recommends adjusting the position of the untested strike closer to the stock price to potentially improve the position's risk-reward. The post shows a series of adjustments to the 16 delta short strangle position by rolling up the put and rolling down the calls based on the movement of the stock price. As part of this approach, the untested strike is modified to help optimize the position. The interactive tool provided in the link allows you to experiment with changing the stock price towards a particular strike and observe the corresponding changes in deltas, as well as the potential profit-loss profile at different stock prices, times, and volatility levels. It is recommended to become familiar with the delta profiles of the short call and short put, and how they are influenced by strikes, time, and volatility. I hope this was helpful. The objective was to keep the explanation as straightforward as possible, given the limited time of less than 12 hours to create this explainer as promised in the forum.